Hello my correct people. Now welcome back again to my channel. Now worry get it talk area. I greet you now depending on where you dey hear me from today. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. If today not the first time they come across my channel, God bless you. For those of una one that they consider, I go run on a matter for now. So my people, we still dey on the missing crown, OLU of Warri missing crown. Una know say this matter for now una follow am right from time before the coronation. As I must drop this update, okay, I don't get this matter for my table for 3 days now, almost since June 1st, since June 1st or June 2nd or so, but because of things when person they do, I no fit do this news now. Una know say the OLU of Warri, that is we don't know whether na talks have been at if them the boss enter the they come steal the OLU of Warri crown before, just I think 2 to 3 days before the coronation. So wetin come happen that time, the OLU of Warri say whether the crown dey or not, im go buy new crown and the coronation go on. The crown no go fit stop the coronation. Una know say as far as the people, the oracle, everybody don already accept the OLU of Warri as their next king. So na the matter when they be that. So this matter the thing don dey court for very long time. And una no forget the last time when I do this about this OLU of Warri missing crown, they adjourned the case go June 1st 2023. So for why? Because to hear the charge against Ayiri Emami, when be like say they bring come na the commissioner, the state commissioner of police, na bring the matter. So the matter, they can't talk the matter that time. As they talk the matter, a lot of arguments dey for that matter. As the argument dey like that, e come make dem adjourn the case. So now that June 1st, now they come sit down on top of the matter about this missing crown. So before I want talk about this thing, I just want read, I go read this thing later sha. But from the wetin happen for the court, mona no forget the last time we see another lawyer when be chief for Warri kingdom, when they call Chief Robinson Ariyo. Chief Robinson, he no dey among some of those chiefs that time, and he come, they walk and comot from the courtroom. They tell am make come outside, make e no dey for there. And he call the verse wetin make I call even the verse well. He say as him be, he na certified chief. You dey get wetin I dey talk? He say but he no know why e be like say for the court they no ever address am as a chief. Instead they call am with him name as Robinson Ariyo. Wanna not forget the defendant, the lawyer. Anyway, I don't know all these terms when they talk. The lawyer when they sit down gidigba for this our brother when they call Chief Ayiri Emami, na our chief, okay, our father, our own father, when they call Chief Victor Otomewo, now they sit down for the main issue. So Ariyo come dey refer say why they go they address our chief Victor Otomewo as a chief, and they not go fit do wetin address as a chief. So that one are the argument, and that one not really concern the case. They fit address that one for another day. You dey get am? So anyway guys, the matter when make they carry Chief Ayiri Emami go the court now because of 3 count charges when they do against am for burglary, stealing and felony. They say na those 3 things. But I go dey read for now wetin happen for the courtroom that June 1st, because as the matter be like this, people, the crown they never still see am o, but they don adjourn the case again go July 5th 2022. Anyway, make I read am to carry una along too. Okay, so a Warri magistrate court in Delta State has adjourned to July 5th 2022 the hearing in the charge against Chief Ayiri Emami over alleged missing crown of the OLU of Warri. The charge was brought against him by the state police commissioner. Trained magistrate is Ejiro Dejomaro. At the hearing in the matter yesterday, they were referring to June 1st, okay, my people. So there was a slight disagreement between Chief Victor Otomewo and Chief Robinson Ariyo, who informed the court that he was not a nominal complainant in the matter as a chief in Warri Kingdom. This was after Chief Otomewo complained that some lawyers who should not be in the court were in court. Ariyo was later asked to leave if it was not in the suit. He also complained that he was not being addressed with his title as a chief by the court. Speaking to news agency outside the court, Chief Ariyo noted, "As a counsel holding brief, I announced myself as Chief Robinson Ariyo. It is the only court in Nigeria that has refused to record me as a Chief Robinson Ariyo. I have a certified true copy of a proceeding where she wrote just Robinson Ariyo. I drew attention to this in the open court and all heard the response. My appearance from the lowest court in Nigeria to the Supreme Court, it is Chief Robinson Ariyo, and at the same time, she recognizes Otomewo as chief and records as such. Meanwhile, Chief Ayiri is facing a 3-charge count of burglary, stealing, and felony offenses he pleaded not guilty to and subsequently granted bail. The charge reads that you, Chief Emami, and others at large on March 30, 2021, about 11:30 p.m. at OLU of WARRI Palace, Warri in the Warri Magisterial District, did conspire among yourselves to commit felony, burglary, and stealing. So una hear wetin I read. So the matter, they just adjourned the case to July 5th, 2022. Now, wetin I dey talk be say, when they talk about most important issue, I no really see anything when make Chief Ariyo dey drag say they not call am chief. They not address as chief. If they not address you as chief, there is a better way to just address the matter. And for you to be in court when it be like say you know dey among the people, that will not really, it not make anything. Because if really you want dey right from the beginning, or you know the right channel for him to still pass, we see the wait for this case between Ayiri Emami and the palace. Because as the matter dey, una know say Ayiri Emami first go court over this OLU of WARRI emergency. He no suppose be the king, he no suppose be the OLU of WARRI. Why? Because the whole law dey against wetin dem dey do. And Chief Ayiri Emami, he don take the case go court ever since to say the OLU of WARRI murder must be either from Ishekiri or from Edo origin. But as the case may be, the OLU of WARRI murder na from Yoruba, and that's why he counter that thing. But anyway, guys, I don't know what you una think about wetin happen for the courtroom, because really this thing e don too dey for very long time, and our brother when they call Chief Ayiri Emami, he no really want, he no wan even drop the case, because this one not be even bring this one. Now the case when be say the palace bring on top of am, and na the case they still dey trash. Mona no forget say one still dey one corner when be say they never talk about. Anyway, guys, I go do wetin leave una for this video. Mona drop on a comment wetin una think for the comment section. I go see una again on a Warri Girl na dey talk. Una bye bye. Thanks so much for watching. Please do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Bye.